Hello everyone, it's good to have you back. In today's lesson, we'll be studying two vowel sounds. They are eh and eh. Let's begin with the first one. Here we have eh. This sound is found in the following words. Here we have let, any, at, said, again, bury, and bed. This sound eh is found here, 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 and let's move to the second one, which is that is the long vowel. Why this one is this one is and this sound occurs in these words. Here we have serve, concern, journey, surface, west, bird, learn, surname, and verge. So this long vowel lies here, 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 and here. So we have serve, concern, journey, surface, west, bird, learn, surname, and verge. This is not pronounced as, or it is wrong to pronounce this as serve. The right pronunciation is save. Here it is not concern, but it is concern. Here is not journey, but journey. Here is not surface, but surface. Here it is not pronounced as worst, rather it is pronounced as west. Here it is not pronounced as bed, rather it is pronounced as bird. Here it is not learn, but learn. Here it is not surname, but surname. And here it is not veg, but veg. If you look at this first one, here we have bed. This is a short vowel, so we simply say bed. Look at this word and this one now. Here, why here we have bed? Here we have bird. This is a long vowel. Why this one is a short vowel? So we have and here. Why here we have bed? Here we have bird. You can see that why this one is a long vowel, this one is a short vowel, as it is clearly shown in their pronunciation. This is how these words are pronounced. All the words here are pronounced eh, eh, eh. That is where this sound is found. Like here, 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 and here. Don't say any, rather you say any. This is not it, but et. This is not said, but said. This is not again, but again. This is not bury or bury, bury as some people call it, but it is bury. This is bed. Why here we have serve, not serve, not concern, but concern, not journey, but journey, not surface, but surface. This one not worst, but west. Here we have not bed, but bird. Here we have learn, not learn. Here we have surname, not surname. While here we have veg, not veg. So this is how these words are pronounced. So be able to differentiate between this sound and this sound. Thank you very much and welcome again. If you have any contribution to make, please do not hesitate to discuss that at the comment section.